Do you girls want s'mores for breakfast? Howdy, partner. Today we are going to make s'mores for breakfast. I know that's kind of crazy, but we're out here at the campsite and we're really excited about this fun family activity. So breakfast s'mores are a lot like normal s'mores, except instead of using graham crackers, we are going to use split open croissants. So I'll show you how we do this and how it tastes. In my opinion, it's really no different than a donut or something, right? Yeah, I mean, it's a lot of sweets, really early, but we'll walk you through the steps one by one. Let's check it out. So step one is going to be toasting your marshmallows. These are a little bigger than graham crackers, so we're going to do 2 marshmallows at a time. You could use a campfire, or in this case, we're using an open grill, but we'll get these toasted up, and then we will add them with the Hershey's chocolate and the croissant. That looks good. Okay, how are those so far?
It's really good.
All right. So what we've done is we got to take that chocolate. We should have used some Mr. Beast chocolate, so we'll have to support another YouTuber next time. I hear it's even better than Hershey's, but I haven't tried it yet. So we've got our nice warmed up marshmallow, and then what we're going to do is we're going to slap it right into that croissant and pinch it shut and see how good that is going to be. That looks delicious. I'm going to do my best not to burn myself. That is good. That's better than any French bakery out there. What do you guys think?
Yeah, it's really good.
All right. Well, that was a lot of fun, and that was really a good breakfast, wasn't it? Okay, hope you enjoyed that video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more of these great home how-to projects. And also, we do a ton of different videos, ranging from all different sorts of fun activities at the house, projects, repairs, and giving you all the confidence that with everything that we do, if I can do it,
You can too.
that's right. Thanks for watching.